Go for it. Juno. Oh God, rolling that way.
What did she kick you in?
My throat, like right in the center. She was like kicking my mouth, and then she was like, I pushed her foot. You're ticklish. Oh God. Wow.
She's overwhelmed.
Let's pull in the belly. Ready? Ready? I'm gonna do it. You fart, Juno. Why are you farting? You guys are extremely weird. The smells are so bad right here.
I'll get a sign.
Okay. Do you know if you tickle a baby too much, it hurts them?
Kicking me?
No, she's kicking me in my head right there.
Wow.
Okay, guys. No, don't go that way. I know you want the cow, but don't go that way. You want that?
Baby child.
Is that what you want? Yeah,
The
okay.
cow.
She wanted the cow. Don't, that's why I didn't want you to take it. You're gonna roll this one now. Oh, look at my boob.
Wow.
I'll just lay back here with her, you know. You're like choking her.
Ah.
She honestly doesn't care. Like, I'll hit my head, it's all good, I'm good.
I'm good.
You know she's a pee-pee diaper.
Hey, Dusty wants to change it.
I don't care, boo. Yeah, you don't like that, huh? Yeah. No.
Give her the cow, give her the cow, give her the cow.
Where's our son we had? William Geoffrey! Geoffrey! Look at this!
Look at the
Look
giraffe.
at this. Just look at it. Just look at the giraffe. Look at it. It's Geoffrey. Do you want to ride it?
Dude, let's do it.
Okay.
Let's make her ride the giraffe.
You have to hold her though. Honestly, like you have to hold her. Wait, you're recording us? Maybe.
Alright, Gina.
Alright, let's go. I'll hold the giraffe
this.
up and you hold
Let's ride
her.
the giraffe.
Okay, ready? We're going.
Woo.
Is that fun? Okay. Sorry, drop right. I love you. Let's go, ready? Ready?
I can see coming here, but this is your way of being.
Oh God! Oh my God!
Oh my God.
No, my monster! Who loves the monster? I got the baby.
You spilled my monster.
Let's go sit by the camera. Let's go on my Facebook. Let's go on Facebook.
Spilled my monster.
Can I stop this?
No. Does that smell good? No, you don't. She like opened her
I
mouth
know.
to get some. And now she's all disappointed because you can't have any. She could drink out of this.
I'm good. You're gonna have to wash it tonight. Oh, okay, go ahead, take it. Oh God, dropping it. I got it. Home slice.
Can I pay you guys a monster when you watch the channel for an hour?
Sure. Let's say 100. Oh no.
What?
Oh, it's $100.
Yep. I just keep random $100 bills in my room.
I wish I had $100 bills in my room.
I've never had
$100
$100
bill. She's gonna drop it. She's gonna drop it. She's doing it. She's doing it. Oh, okay.
Okay, now you're dropping it.
There you go.
I'm glad she's gonna grab that.
Here. We could do this for a whole other hour. What time is it?
Mm.
Okay, it's 4:18. We have about 52 minutes.
Was it 3? Or 4?
Yeah. We only been doing this for 18 minutes. And she's already getting tired. She's like, I'm done with you two. I just want to walk with her. You know how many looks we get? They probably think we're like
15-year-old lesbians, oh my god.
Ow,
What
I
the
am
child?
so sorry. Is my hair in your way? She like moved my hair. Yeah.
Oh. Want to play this game, do you?
No, that's what you want to do.
That's the game you want to play.
Look at her. Look at her. Look at her.
Oh,
She's getting him. She's getting him. She's
Take
getting
the disc.
She's getting him. She's getting him.
There you go. Take the discs.
Take the disc out.
Want the disc?
No, I don't
Put
want
a sticker on your shirt.
It's really nice.
There you go.
Let's go again.
There you go.
So
Big
hockey
fancy
puck.
disc. Doesn't want to drop them. She loves me and knows that I don't want to. There's a double chin right now. Oh, no.
I used to do this thing to my brother. It's like this thing where you set them like this, and you go, this is how the babies ride, the babies ride, the babies ride. This is how the babies ride so early in the morning. Can't do this with her though, he was like 3, but I set him like this, and I hold him and I just move my legs as fast as I can. It's a thing I learned, like it helps little kids, like you soothe them, and then you just like throw them all around and like, this is how the baby rides, and you just like shake them. I can't shake a baby.
Don't shake the baby, Destiny.
Yeah, you can walk out there.
Oh no.
Can we stop this now?
Keep me in a throat, why don't you?
Yeah, it hurts, huh?
Danger.
Oh, get her down.
Don't step on my stomach.
I thought you were going to say the other word. Don't step on that either, though.
Right.
Can I stop this now?
Yes.